Christian Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Jude and I am your chef for today. So guys, I was looking in my fridge and I found like I can do something like, you know, not really like fine dining looks like dish, but I can show you how to looks like fine dining. So I'm gonna make Italian chicken Saltimbocca, but this is not the original one. I made it in my own creation. Yeah, I made it like I innovated it and I put something different flavors on the Saltimbocca. But I also used the sage, guys. If you know the sage, this is one of the herbs that I use for Saltimbocca. And my sauce will be the tomato puree, and I'm gonna show you also how to make it. And watch out for that. And I'll give you the recipe of all the things that I'm doing in my dish. But if this is your first time to watch my video, please click the subscribe button, leave a message, and likes and share my video. So for our ingredients for the Saltimbocca, we need the chicken breast. So I already put some salt and pepper with that. And then this is my homemade sausage. And then bacon. And then we need pistachio, roasted pistachio. The herbs like our sage, mascarpone, or any kinds of herbs to combine with the sage is fine, guys. So this time I'm gonna put more, a little bit of salt and pepper with that, and then we're gonna do a butterfly for our chicken breast so that we can roll it. To have also a flavor inside, so we need to put some little bit of salt and pepper also there inside before we roll it. And then I have this sausage to put in, and just spread it only, guys, like that. And some pistachio and mascarpone and some herbs inside, and then roll it like that. So this time I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper, and then we need to roll it tightly, guys. And then this time around we need to put the bacon. So my bacon is already cut in half because this is my leftover bacon. Actually, I got it from my fridge, so it's fine, guys, because I still have to tie it with our butcher string. So we need to heat up our cast iron pan, and then we need put a little bit of butter in there. Then we need to pan sear our Saltimbocca. Actually, this is very easy recipe to do in in the house, because it's just only a few ingredients that you needed here. If you don't want like to put any peelings in it, it's fine too, because the flavor of the herbs and the bacon will infuse to our chicken. Yeah, so that's also the purpose of pan searing it, and to give also a nice texture and color for our chicken. So this time we need to get the butter and like spread on the top of our our saltimbocca, because sometimes all the flavors also goes in or go down to our to the butter, so we need like to scrape those butter and drizzle on the top of our saltimbocca so that the flavor will still get in there. And then I have this garlic. Also garlic helps gives aroma, and also gives taste too as well, nice taste to our saltimbocca as well. So yeah, just keep putting all the butter on the top on it, and then keep an eye all the time, because we don't want to burn your bacon right away. We need a very nice color and beautiful texture for our chicken saltimbocca. So now it's time for me to put this in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes in 400 degrees centigrade, Fahrenheit centigrade. So also the purpose why I put it in the cast iron, so that when you're done pan searing it, you can put it directly in the oven. So I'm checking the temperature if we already reached the 165 degrees Fahrenheit centigrade, so which means our chicken is ready. So that's the right temperature of the chicken if you would like to know if the chicken is cooked properly. So this is the leftover juice of our saltimbocca that I put in the oven. So I'm gonna put I removed some of the oil actually, guys, and then I'm gonna put a fresh bacon in that, and then mix some herbs and mix my herb tomato puree and that too as well, and that's my sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it, guys. It's very simple recipe, very easy recipe to do. Complete our recipe, because I just want to put some color on my pan. So I just started with tomato and just along with the honey So there you go, guys. I cut it and looks so good. The layer inside of our Balotine, and it's juicy, as you can see the juice of the chicken and other stuff that I put in there. So it looks really good and yummy. So this is the texture inside. Well, the camera is still blurry. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it looks good, guys. So they're not breaking. So now I'm gonna make a simple plating, guys, not a super fancy plating. It's just a drop of this tomato puree or tomato ragu, and then I cut those 3 chicken Balotine Saltimbocca, and then we put some tomato. It's not a very complicated, guys. It's just I want only like to look it presentable, not really like super fine plating. And I got these fresh herbs out from my garden there. Actually, we're living on a 3rd floor apartment, but we have that, you know, what do you call that, a small balcony, something like that. And then I made my own planter boxes and then plant my herbs that I like. And there you go, I'm already using it for my plating sometimes. So there you go, guys, I'm almost done with my plating and some herbs that I put in there, and lastly will be the, you know, the crushed pistachio, just to have some drippings and other texture for my for my dish. So there you go, very simple and looks very delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share and leave your comment and likes to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless.